Light in a travel faster than sound. Hello guys, this is how the Indians normally celebrate their Diwali. I had tried earlier to book an hotel nearer, but unfortunately the hotels had already been booked all. So I've slept in a certain hotel. I'm not that nearer, but at least I made sure you all they normally do their Diwali. Tomorrow I'll try my best. I'll book a hotel nearer, so nearer the temple, where you can see very well how they normally do the fireworks. Vizuri sana. Tomorrow I'll try to book an hotel there. I'll try to book a motel near. Today I don't know. I had went there, I had go there, but I found the hotel already fully booked. That's why I'm kind of far away. Even I'm zoomed from my phone, you see. I'm in a certain apartment, but still I'm in 5'8". Tomorrow I'll try my best. This is how they normally do their fireworks, yeah. You know, I've heard that a single firework normally costs 10,000. It's very expensive. Wow, wonderful.
Wait for it. Next.
Oh, wow. Wow. Here those fireworks are very expensive. Wow. I wish ningepata room hapa hivi karibu. Ningekuwa nachukua vizuri, lakini sasa vile niko mbali nimezoom hivi. But sio mbaya. Sasa mtu amepata room hapo karibu, ana vikwazo nyoko kwa ile gorofa. Hii hapo ndio imenizuilia, una view vizuri sana. Ona tu. Ingetoa vizuri sana. Wow. Wonderful. They're like rockets. Ile light imefanya nimedhani nyingine imeanza hapo. Hiyo ya kikubwa.
Poa.
Aionyeshi vizuri, kuja angalie tu. Wow. Diwali.
Inawasha moshi.
Inachaga moshi. Sasa bomb je inachaga moshi aje? Kama hii ni fire, hizi ma fireworks na bomb je? Hii inazalipua nyumba hii bro.
Haina itapasua
Inapasua vitu hii. Yani kesho nikitokea nitanini hapo hiyo.
Alafu ujue
tatoa sauti hiyo. Star light travel faster than sound.
Sasa kuna tempo nyingine hapa.
sasa jiko ingine mbele ya hii.
Unaona aje bro? Wow, beautiful.
Una saa hiyo hii inakuwa pia kuachilia hapo inaachilia. Hiyo ya box.
Leo unaacha tu nini alafu unaiacha inaenda ziko mingi.
Ukikaa hapo, utapiga hadi na.
We. Sasa umeona nini hizi maneno za religion zinakuwa tu beliefs bro. Sina pia wana believe hivyo ndo kusherekea yao, sijui ndo Christmas yao ama. Sisi wengine wana believe hivyo, wa Kristo Islamu wana believe hivyo, unaona? Religion ni beliefs tu, but God mimi bado ni yule mmoja tu. Wow. Tomorrow I'll try to book an hotel nearer. Guys, don't get offended. Tomorrow I'll try to look for an hotel nearer. Okay, I'm coming to the end of my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel at Makoyo, at MAKOYOO at Makoyo. Tomorrow I'll take a motel nearer. Where I'll have to show you clear the content that is very clear. The clarity will be well tomorrow. Yes, that today I went there and the motel were fully booked, so I had to go to a motel that is it's not near the place. But tomorrow I'll try my best to book a motel which is near the place, near the temple. Yeah. Fireworks, wow. 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 Wait. Wow.
Kibogo sikiagi kutoka.
Si uongo.